Creator of Tesla, Neuralink, and SpaceX with a net worth of $236 billion, Elon Musk is a hot topic around the world. The CEO that shoots up rockets and pieces of crypto has surprised us again with his tweet about Tesla's new tiny houses for sustainable living. Apparently, the billionaire has sold most of his assets, including luxury houses and such, and replaced them with a sustainable home in Boca Chica, Texas, worth only $50,000. When asked about the tiny home, Elon replies, "My primary home is literally a $50,000 house in Boca Chica, Starbase, that I rent from SpaceX. It's kind of awesome, though. Only house I own is the events house in the Bay Area. If I sold it, the house would see less use, unless bought by a big family, which might happen someday." In June, he stated that the reason he sold his previous home in the San Francisco Bay Area is a report by ProPublica stating that American billionaires like Musk rarely pay their taxes. So, what about his new home? It apparently is a 20-foot by 20-foot box designed by the company Boxable, a construction startup that specializes in easy-to-build housing modules that start at $50,000. The amount does not include landscaping and additional permits, but still, the low cost sounds impressive. So what do you think of self-sustainable homes being the future of real estate? Tell us in the comments.